Hi, this is Chad Underwood with the Chad Underwood Agency of Farmers Insurance. I want to talk to you today about the term you hear thrown around a lot by insurance agents to clients, unfortunately. It's the term full coverage. There's no such thing as full coverage. I'm going to show you why. Bear with me here for just a few minutes. The state minimum coverage in Texas for that you must carry for your auto insurance is 30, 60, 25. You may have seen this on your insurance documentation somewhere. What this means is $30,000 per person per accident, $60,000 total for any one accident, and $25,000 in property damage. So what kind of car did you hit? Okay, this is insurance for other people. So I'm gonna put you in the position of running into a vehicle and show you how your insurance is going to perform. We all want to know how's my insurance going to perform at claim time. This is what we're going to look at. So let's say you hit a brand new Tahoe, $60,000. You have $25,000 for property damage. Tahoe's worth $60,000. Insurance is going to pay $25,000, so that leaves a balance of $35,000. 3 passengers in the vehicle: son, daughter, and mom. It's a pretty bad accident, so we had some injuries. The son, he wasn't hurt real bad, had a broken arm, required a little bit of therapy, had to get the cast, all the x-rays and everything. He had a claim of $25,000. We got $30,000 per person, so it's going to pay the $25,000, no problem. Now the daughter, she was more severely injured. She had to spend some time in the hospital, had to have an MRI, make sure her brain was okay, there was no concussion. A couple of days in the hospital, can eat that up really quick. She had a claim of $150,000. So again, we got $30,000 per person. Going to pay 30 of that 150, leaves a balance of 120. Mom dies. Happens every day. The figure I'm going to use is from a couple years ago for a wrongful death suit. $800,000. Now, remember I told you we had 60 total for the whole accident, so we've already paid 25 plus 30 is 55,000. So we're going to pay $5,000 on this claim, leaving a balance of $795,000. So we got 35 plus 120 plus 795. That's $950. $950,000. In this situation, once you get to this point, you're going to get a nice legal letter in the mail from your insurance company that says, Mr. and Mrs. Consumer, we have satisfied our obligations under the policy. We recommend you seek legal counsel for the remainder of your claims, because you're on the hook for that $950,000. One of the other agents likes to say, when you're driving around in Texas, you're driving around with your assets in your trunk. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of things on the hook, and they will come after you for as much of that as they can get. They'll try to get it all, but if they can't get it all, they're going to get as much as they can get. Now, the other common thing that I see quite often in Texas, when you're going to have a little bit better coverage than state minimums, and it is better, 100, 300, 100. Same applies, 100 per person, 300 total for the accident. Now you've got $100,000 for property damage, which is good. It's going to take care of that Tahoe problem we had up here. That's gone. Same accident, same scenario. Okay, $25,000 for the son, you're going to pay that no problem. The daughter's $150,000 claim, going to pay $100,000, so we have more money to pay now. Leave a balance of $50,000. Going to pay $100,000 on mom's $800,000 wrongful death suit. Leave a balance of $700,000. We took care of the Tahoe, so that leaves a balance of $750,000. So we saved $200,000. It's good, it's better coverage. This is going to take care of most things. I do have other options I'm going to show you. I'm not going to take any more time on this video. Options like 250, 500,000, 500, 500 to take care of more of these claims, take care of most of that one. Also have policies that will take care of this as well. Like I said, this is a figure from a few years ago. Most recent one I saw was 1.1 million, and that was a passenger in, I think it was a girlfriend of a boyfriend who was driving the car and got into an accident. So these things happen every day. Contact me. There's a link on here you can click to schedule an appointment. I'll sit down with you, we'll review your current insurance, find out where the gaps are, see if we can have some solutions for you to better protect your assets. This is Chad Underwood with the Chad Underwood Agency. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks.